Hello, it's Christian with Mate.
The Apple TV Siri remote is great for controlling your Apple TV. In the event you misplace your remote or the battery is dead, there's a remote built into your iPhone or iPad. Make sure your iPhone is up to date and is connected to your Wi-Fi. To open Control Center on an iPhone X, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. On an iPhone 8 and below, swipe up from the center of the bottom of the screen. Once open, press the Apple TV button. Tap the Apple TV name at the top of the control area and select the Apple TV you want to control. The first time you connect to an Apple TV with a device, you may need to put in a 4-digit code that appears on the screen. Once connected, use the phone just like you would the Siri remote, including swiping for control and pressing and holding the microphone button to use Siri. Thanks, and have a great day.
Check the description for links to products to take your HomeKit to the next level.